everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to automate furniture sales process by WhatsApp. So I run a furniture business and want my customers to place orders and check available furnitures automatically by WhatsApp. So for that we are going to build a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, which is going to interact with my customers 24/7. So firstly in this video we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to build this chatbot, then let me take you towards my screen. Going to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot, and here you can see I'm getting this welcome message which says, "Hi there, welcome to Wood Art Furniture Studio. We craft premium furniture that adds warmth and elegance to your space." And here we are getting a button that is Explore Furniture. So now I'm going to select this button, and as I have selected this button, I am getting a message which consists of the list of the furniture collection. So now let's open this list and check the furniture. So here you can see I'm getting two options. So I'm going to select this first option, that is solid wood king bed, and as I have selected this option, I'm getting the image of this bed with its pricing in the caption, and here I'm getting two buttons, that is order now and back. So now I'm going to select this button, that is back, and as I have selected this button, I'm again getting this list. So now let's open this list, and here I'm going to select this another product, that is two-door wardrobe, and as I have selected this option, I'm getting the image of this furniture with its pricing in the caption, and again we are getting two buttons, that is order now and back. So now this time I'm going to select this button, that is order now, and as I have selected this button, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So now I am going to provide my full name as demo user. So now let's type it. So here I am going to enter my name, and as I have provided my full name, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter the delivery address. So now I am going to enter my delivery address over here. So here I am going to provide my delivery address as well, and as I have provided my delivery address, I am getting the order confirmation message. So here you can see how amazing our WhatsApp chatbot is. It is providing me the image of the furniture as well as I can place the order for the furniture also. So you can also create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own furniture business, and for creating this WhatsApp chatbot you have to access Pabbly Chatflow, and for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow you just have to type its URL over the new tab. That is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, you can simply click over this sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can simply click over this sign in. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing Pabbly Chatflow. Now before moving on forward, I am going to tell you about Pabbly Community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly Community where automation users, marketers and business owner gather to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant update regarding using the Pabbly application. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us. And if you wish to join the Pabbly community, you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to my Pabbly Chatflow again, and here I am going to simply click over this sign in, and once you finish your sign up, you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where you can see the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create a chatbot, we have to access this Pabbly Chatflow app by clicking on this access now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, which can be seen here. And on this dashboard page you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and you can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button. And on this add WhatsApp number button you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect, and if you want to connect with token number, you can simply click over this Manual Token Connect. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow, and if you want to learn more about these features, you can find video link in the description given below. Now as we are going to create a chatbot, for that we simply have to click over the flows given on the sidebar, and once you will click over the flows, you will be landed to this flow builder page where you can see these are the flows created by me. And if you want to create your own flow, you simply have to click over this add flow button, and you will be landed to the flow page which can be seen here. And here we are getting the option for entering the flow name. So now let's provide a name to our flow here. So here I am providing it the name Automate Furniture Sales Process by WhatsApp, and afterwards we are getting this option for trigger. So now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is the action which is going to initiate our WhatsApp chatbot, and on this trigger we are getting many trigger events such as keyword rejects match, user starts conversation, template selected and many more. But here I am going to keep it as the same, that is keyword rejects match. Now you might be thinking, what is this keyword and reject? So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot. Now let's let's say I want to initiate my chatbot as soon as someone enters a message consisting of this word, that is view furniture. So for that we have to make this word as our keyword. So you just have to type it and press the enter key, and here our one keyword is ready, and that's what I have entered while testing our WhatsApp chatbot. And afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the specific user input, and if you want to trigger any message you can enter regex like this. But here, as I've already added my keyword, I will be removing this regex from here. Now as we are done with our trigger, I'm going to provide a welcome message to my customers. So for that we just have to drag and drop and select text button over here, and in this text button note I am going to enter a welcome message for my customers. So here I have entered this welcome message for my customers, and now I am going to add a button to this message note. So for that we just have to click over this add button, and here you have to enter the text of your button. So now let's enter the text and create our button here. So here you can see I have created this button, that is explore furniture, and now as soon as my users select this button I am going to provide them list of the furniture. So for that we just have to drag and drop and select list over here, and in this list node it is asking me to enter header, body and footer for the list. So now I am going to provide a body to my list here. So here you can see I have provided this body to my list. Now I am going to add some items to this list. So for that firstly we have to create sections. So for that you just have to click over this add section, and here you have to enter the section title. So now I am going to enter my section title as furniture. So now let's type it, and in this section I am going to add some items. So for that we just have to click over this add items, and here you have to enter the title, and if you want you can even enter the description of your item as well. But here I am going to create two items, so I will be selecting this add items button again, and now I am going to add two items to my list. So here you can see I have added two items to this list. So with this we have successfully created a list, and you can add many items likewise. And here as soon as my user selects any of these list items, I want to save that response. So for saving the response we have to provide contact custom field to all these list items, and for providing the contact custom field you just have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting this option for set custom field which you have to select. And now I'm going to connect this first item, that is solid wood king bed, with this action node, and here it is asking me to select the contact custom field. So here you can see these are the contact custom fields I have created, and contact custom field help us to store extra information about our clients. And if you also want to create your own contact custom field, you just have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting this option for contact custom fields which you have to select. But before that you have to click over the save button for saving our flow so that you don't lose your data. And as you will select this contact custom fields, you will be landed to the contact custom fields page which I have already opened. So here you can see this is my contact custom fields page, and here you can see these are the contact custom fields I have created. And if you want to create your own contact custom field, you just have to click over this add more field button, and here you have to provide the field name, and afterwards you just have to click over this save button and your contact custom field will be created. But here as I've already created my contact custom field, I will be selecting it over my Pabbly Chatflow. So here I'm going to select my contact custom field as item. So now let's search for it, and here you can see I'm getting this contact custom field. So I'm going to select it, and afterwards it is asking me to enter the value. So here you have to enter the value for which you are creating this contact custom field. So here I'm creating this contact custom field for this first list item, so I'm going to enter the same value. So with this we have provided contact custom field for this first list item. Now I'm going to do the same for this second list item as well. So here you can see I have added contact custom field for this second item as well. Now as soon as my user selects any of these list items, I want to provide them image of that particular furniture with its pricing in the captions. So for providing the image we just have to drag and drop and select media over here. So by selecting media button you can provide any type of media such as audio, video, document, etc. to your customers. So now as I'm going to provide image to my customers, so I'm going to select my media type as image, and afterwards we are getting this option for entering or paste the URL and drag or drop the file here. So now I'm going to drag the file here. So now let's select this button, and here we are landed to my picture section where you can see this image, that is furniture, which I am going to select. And as I have selected this image, I have already got its URL, and now on the caption I am going to provide its name with its pricing. So here you can see I have provided its pricing in my caption. Now I am going to add a button in this media message. So for that we just have to click over this add button, and here I am going to create two buttons. So for that again I am going to select this add button, and now let's enter the text of our both buttons. So here I have created my two buttons. So with this we have provided the image for this first item with its pricing. Now I am going to do the same for this second item, that is two-door wardrobe. So here you can see I have provided the image for this second item, and on the caption I have provided its pricing, and even I have created two buttons, that is order now and back. Now as soon as my user select this first button, that is order now, I am going to ask them some questions for placing the order. But if my user select this second button, that is back, I am going to redirect them to the list of the furniture. So I am going to connect this back button with this list, and same for this second back button. So here I have connected my back button with this list. Now as soon as my user select this first button, that is order now, I am going to ask them some questions for placing the orders. So for that you just have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting this option for ask question, which you have to select, and you will be getting this question note. And now here I am going to connect all these order now buttons with this question note, so that my user can be redirected to this question as soon as they select this order now button. Now here I am going to enter a question asking for the full name of my customer. So here you can see I have entered this question asking for the full name. Now afterwards I am going to select my contact custom field as full name, and here I am going to select my format as any. Now likewise I am going to add one more question to this flow. So here I have entered another question asking for the delivery address, where I have selected my contact custom field as delivery address and the format as any. Now as soon as my user provides me the answer of these questions, I am going to provide them a thank you or the confirmation message. So for that we just have to drag and drop and select text button over here, and on this text button note I am going to enter my confirmation message. So here you can see I have entered this thank you or the confirmation message for my customer. So with this we have successfully created a flow. Now we just have to save this flow. So for that you simply have to click over the save button, and here you can see as I have clicked over this button, I am getting this pop-up which says flow updated successfully. Means we have successfully saved our flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving message from our customer and how we are sending him the automated reply, let me take you towards my inbox section. For that you just have to click over the inbox given on the sidebar, and as you will click over the inbox you will be landed to this inbox page, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and on this particular number you can see I am successfully receiving message from my customers, and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. And one point has to be noticed that this is following the path which we have created through a flow. Means if a user sends us a message, we are going to send them a welcome message with this button, that is explore furniture, and if my user select this button, we are going to provide them list of the furniture. So in this video you have seen how easily I have built in this amazing WhatsApp chatbot even without a single word coding, and this chatbot is automating your conversation with your clients. So you can also create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, and you can even share the flow which you have created. So for sharing the flow you just have to go to flow builder page again, and here you can see this is the flow which I have recently created. So I am going to select three dots of this flow, and here you can see we are getting this option for share flow which you have to select, and here we are getting the flow link. So you can share this flow link with your friends so that they can also know about this amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow, and they can also automate their all tasks. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing automations and chatbots like this. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and if you want to practice this flow you can find its link in the description given below, and if you have any doubt you can post it over the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.